Are you getting an annoying message your account cannot be created at this time while setting up a new Apple ID on your iPhone/iPad? If so, then you are not alone, as plenty of users have reported about facing the same issue. So in this video tutorial, I will show you some effective and tested solutions to get rid of it.
But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Method 1. Restart your iPhone. The very first thing you're supposed to do is to restart your iPhone once. This process resolves several glitches or bugs that might be leading to such error. So once reboot your device, simply dragging the power off slider to shut down and then check if the same issue again exists. Method 2. Check internet connection. Another important factor that can lead to such annoying error is due to poor internet connection. Make sure your device have strong internet. If there is a problem in Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data instead and see if everything works perfect. Method 3. Check Apple system status. Many times, the Apple server is down, and if you are creating an account at that time, then it will show error. So you should check the server status through Apple system status. It will show you real-time status of Apple services. Method 4. Update iOS version. If your iPhone is running on old version, then also you can come across your Apple ID could not be created error. Therefore, you should check if there is any update available by going to Settings. Click on General and look for Software Update. Further, check for Update and click on Download and Install option. Once done, try to add new Apple ID again. Method 5. Reset all settings. Even resetting your iPhone settings can resolve the issue, and you can further create a new Apple ID easily. First, open Settings and then click on General. And now move down and look for Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here, click on Reset and tap on Reset All Settings option. Method 6. Reset network settings. You can go for resetting network settings as well to get rid of the error and set up a new Apple ID without any problem. First, open Settings, then tap on General, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset, and finally, click on Reset Network Settings. Once done, check now if the error is fixed and you can create Apple ID. Method 7. Erase all contents and settings. When nothing goes your way to get rid of the error, then it's time to do factory reset on your iPhone. Hopefully, this will remove the error and you can proceed with creating a new Apple ID. First, launch Settings and click on iCloud. Now choose iCloud Backup Now option. Then go to Settings, General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Finally, select Erase all content and settings option. Even if the issue is not resolved, then open Apple ID apple.com on any browser and click on Sign In option. Here, create a new Apple ID and hopefully, the issue will be resolved.